Okay, girls, I'm going to make a cleaning video for you so I can show you how to keep your computer running happy, safe, and cool. Claire, this is my corner. See Xander? Matter of fact, I've got Xander's picture everywhere. There he is. Okay. Alright, now I've got this portable vacuum cleaner, this handheld that I got to clean my computer, and I'm going to start with the keyboard, okay? And then I'm turning it over and I'll show you the most important part, how to clean out the exhaust vents in the back. Now, before I start, let me show you where they're located on mine. I've got one here on the side in the back, and then I've got another one all the way in the back, so there are two back there. Plus, when I vacuum, I also vacuum out the holes for the graphics and the battery and everything, but you'll see when I turn it over. Any place that you have vents or anything like that, you should vacuum. Alright, I'm going to turn the vacuum on now and do the keyboard, okay? Okay, here we go. Alright, I think that should be about it. Now, I didn't take as long cleaning the keyboard because yesterday I did it thoroughly, okay? Now, Claire, before I turn it over and show you how to do the back, I'm going to show you what's outside. You asked me about that, but I was using my webcam on my laptop, but now I'm using my portable webcam, and I'll show you what's outside here. This is the apartment next door. Okay, they just built that, actually. So this is my view to the outside. Not a whole lot there. Mostly college students, I think, are living there. It seems to be. All right. Now I'm going to come back inside. And there's my desk, my messy desk. My pictures. There's my Santa Claus that I've had for a long, long time. There's my Xander corner that I made last Christmas. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn this off and start with the back. What I've done, I've taken some pictures of the back, since I can't show you the back as a video, but I've taken some pictures of the back and I'll show you what I clean. Alright, I'll incorporate those in this video and I'll send it to you. Okay, I love you, girls. This is me. I love you. Bye bye.